Hi, Quirky Club! This is Pizzeria da Michele in Naples, Italy. It's my favorite, definitely. There's always a bit of a line, but that can be amended. If the line feels pretty long, you can always help the time pass faster. So why is it so great? Why did Connor and I bring my parents here? It is the perfect, ideal representation of Neapolitan-style pizza. Pizzas are in the oven for less than a minute, in and out. It's a fluffy exterior, a super flavorful sauce, and simple, incredible quality ingredients on top. We got this cozy corner in the restaurant, and yes, brought Kiro, who was guarding out for all the boxes. So we decided to get one of each kind of pizza that they offer. Double mozzarella. We asked for double mozzarella and she was like, yeah, it already is double mozzarella. Damn, this pizza. No words, no words. Keep eating, keep eating.
Yeah, I don't always eat the crust, but I'm eating the crust.
Perfectly said.
Yeah, dude.
So messy, it's not cute. That's not cute. This pizza is amazing. Like, literally amazing. This is not hype. Something I love so much is that the crust is so good. And what Elizabeth Gilbert said in Eat, Pray, Love, yes, I am going to reference Eat, Pray, Love here, is that it's like naan. It's like fluffy. I mean, it is more naan-esque than like breadstick-esque. It's damn good. The history of this place is evident if you just glance at the walls. It's just so special. Well, there you have it, a tomato sauce stain on my shirt later and some amazing pizza once again. Quirky Club, thank you so much as always for your support. I love you guys. Thank you for sticking with me. And look at that line now. That's a serious line. So another tip for you if you come to Naples, get here early. Early bird gets the worm and the pizza.